Week 7 finds us using our prior knowledge of the types of informal assessments to determine measurement of specific learning outcomes. We will also begin to understand how the data from these assessments can be utilized to form groupings. Your learning outcomes are right here. Please be sure that you read those. Assigned readings. From our subjects matter text, you're going to be looking at how to use textbooks efficiently, which is pages 182 to 197. And then you're going to be looking in the Allen flip chart for list group label, word study developing content vocabulary, word study how to learn content vocabulary through context, academic notebooks writing to learn, and raft writing. All right. On to our PowerPoint for week 7. It begins with the week 8 final exam. The final will be open all week, and the exam study guide calls your attention to some important topics for the exam. Then we move on to formative reading assessments. Think about the purpose of assessments. Formative assessments occur during the learning process. They identify areas for improvement. Formative assessments allow teachers to change course if needed during the instructional process. Formative assessments give opportunities for students to implement feedback. And the data from the formative assessment guides your instruction. You're going to list 3 formative assessments this week. Then you're going to select one of the 3 and explain how it works in the classroom. Keep in mind that summative assessment is the assessment of learning. It takes place at the end of the learning process. A summative assessment is graded. It's the final evaluation of knowledge and skills the students have been learning about. It does not provide an opportunity to adjust your instruction because you do give it at the end. Just as with the formative assessment, you're going to find 3 summative assessments and explain how one of them works in the classroom. Now, this week, your research paper and presentation are due. Again, please use the rubric to self-assess before submitting. If you have any questions, please ask. Thanks. I'm looking forward to reading your research and watching your presentations.